Hello, I hope it helps someone. So this is Viltrox low light level test. All shots are at 1/50th of a shutter speed, ISO auto f1.8. Handheld shots.
On the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh.
This is me changing the focus level so you can see the background blur changing.
Hanging in the corner with a nose bleed. High on whatever they sold me.
Now, how does it look when there is a water body? You can see at night again the settings are same.
Still trying to figure out the mind piece. Looking for the love inside me.
What about a little bit of close up? And this is me walking without paying too much attention on stability. Only focus is how it looks and feels in low light. These are just casual shots, so let me stabilize, and this is how it looks when stabilized at medium level, not even extreme level. A little bit of jello effect, that's expected when you do external stability. Again, walking as carefree as possible and stabilized the same shot in post. Now trying to do a little bit of closed focus shot here to see how the background blur changes at f1.8. What about a little bit of flare test? So full disclosure, I use this with basic UV clear filter to protect the front element. Now this is a close focus test to show you the background blur or the bokeh, how it looks and feels. They are quite pleasing to the eyes, as you can see, nice, smooth. Again, a bit of bonus test shot in the day. Testing close-up, focus and background blur at the same time. These are some casual shots which I shot at my friend's wedding. So nothing professional at all, but it might help someone to understand how it performs in low light situations in real world scenarios.